People who participate in the ICO want not only to support the project, but also to get profit. Some of them hold tokens as long-term investment. Some rush to the exchanges right after ending of ICO to sell as soon as possible. There are several reasons why people may sell their tokens right after the ICO. Maybe they have the intention to rebuy it later at lower price and getting this way profit from the difference between prices, or maybe people who participated in a bounty program and received tokens for free want a quick profit. Many ICO offer bonuses, airdrops, rewards, and so on. So simply put, some token holders don't value them much and hurry to sell, receiving profit. A good idea is to lock up tokens for an amount of time. So after the ICO ends, tokens should not be transferable. Here we have this requirement. The coin trading date will be 1 week after the sale ends. So let's see how we implement the transferability function of our tokens. Our ERC20 token has two functions used for token transfer. We have the transfer function used to transfer tokens from the owner's account to another account. So the owner transfers tokens to other address, and there is also the transfer from function used to allow another user to future transfer tokens from the owner account to his own account. We've discussed a lot about these two functions in the sections about the ERC20 tokens. So you can recap from there if you don't remember well at this moment. In fact, what we should do is to override this function in the ICO contract, adding the locking feature. So here in our ICO contract, after the invest function, okay, here I'll override the transfer and the transfer from functions. So function transfer address to uint value public returns bool. And now inside the function I verify that the block timestamp is greater than coin trade start variable. So require block.timestamp, or now is an alias to block.timestamp, is greater than coin trade start. Coin trade start being this state variable. Okay? Good. And now we call the function of the base contract, so of the token contract. If we want to call the function of a base contract, we simply use the supper keyword dot and now the name of the function, transfer of to end value. And that's all. This function overrides the base contract transfer function and will transfer tokens only if the block timestamp, so the time when the function is called, is greater than coin trade start. Now let's override the transfer from function, the other function. So address from address underline to uint underline value public and returns bool. One observation. Here we don't have to return because the supper.transfer function returns anyway true or false. So this function returns. We don't need an extra return statement in here. And here we have the same requirement. So I can copy this line and paste it here. And now I call the function of the base contract. So super.transfer from underline to underline value. Now our Cryptos tokens are transferable, but only after the CoinTrade start date.